All right, my grill's back up to 300, 350 degrees. I want to turn these over. And then baste the belly side of the ribs. And those are really tender. All the while I left all my burners on. If you can see right there where the bone's just getting a little black, that's the barbecue sauce that dripped down. Barbecue sauce burns really fast. You want to repeat these steps I just did. You start on the top where we were, and flip them over. You want to do that about 3 times until you start to form a solid coating that's caramelized and starting to hold them together. Then you close the lid, let that temperature get back up. At this point you probably do want to turn these on low. Just let that get back to 300 degrees. And you do that, whatever your preference is, but at least 2 to 3 times. You can go more if you want, depending on how dark the meat and the sauce is getting.